Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to delete Pinterest account forever or permanently. You need to go to your Pinterest account profile, then click arrow button, then go to settings, then go to account management, or you can go to privacy and data. You can also delete account from here. You can also delete the account from account management and delete account from here. Just continue. You will get an email in your inbox for further instruction for deleting the account. So here you will delete your account. You will delete your account and delete your Windows account data after 14 days. If you change your man before 14 days, login with your email and password, and we will send you a link to reactivate your account. Click yes, delete account. So your account has been deleted. If you want not to delete your account, then you can log in again with your account information within 14 days before your account will be deleted permanently. This is the video tutorial. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.